today I'm going to be unboxing these Walkie Talkies, and they have been sent to me by Retevis. But before we open them, let me show you guys a closer look. Okay, so here it is, and up here it says new material, resistance to fall and resistant to scratches. And down the bottom it says LCD screens, which are shown just there. They look really cool. And an LED light, that looks cool. And on the back it tells you everything.
Wow, it's got lots of features on it, isn't it, Maisie?
Yes, it tells you the weight, the size, which batteries it needs. Really cool.
Key lock function, key tone. We're reading backwards, Maze. Roger bleep on and off function.
There's quite
volume selectable, scan function, 10 selected cool tones.
Yeah, wow. Let's open these up and see what's inside. There we go. With one of our Walkie Talkies. There's the other. We have our wire. We have this little booklet and our instructions. But let me show you guys a closer look at the Walkie Talkies. Okay, so here it is, and it comes with loads of different buttons. For obvious, we have on and off, our menu, this button that says MON, this up and down button, I'm not sure what that's for.
It's a scroll, I should think.
Cool. And we have a music note and one that says talk. I'm assuming you will use that when you want to talk through the Walkie Talkies. We have lamps, that looks cool, and it's like wiggly lights.
I'm sure we'll work them all out, won't we, Maeve?
Yep, I'm pretty sure we would.
They look really
Guys, just here we have our LED light. We have our charging point as well. We have the aerial just here. And on the back, we have our handy dandy belt clip.
Wow, they're really cool, aren't they, Maisie?
Totally. And these come in a variety of different colours. Guys, just here we have our instruction manual, which tells you everything you need to know about the Walkie Talkies. This tells you all the features as well.
All the information you need to know, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so there you go.
And just here we will use our wires to plug into our charging point, just like this. So we'll put it in, like that, and then they can charge. And then another one, so then we can charge the other Walkie Talkie too.
Right, so they charge at exactly the same time.
Yeah, and you just need to plug this into your wall, and then they'll be charging.
Great, shall we go and charge them?
Yeah.
And then we'll come back once they're charged, yeah? Okay.
See you guys in a sec. Hi guys, I'm back. And both of my Walkie Talkies are fully charged, so let's switch them on. So what you got to do, you got to hold this button in at the top. There we go. Now it's on. It has our LCD screen.
Got a blue light on it, Maze. So that will be the talk button.
So if you hold it in and talk, it will come through to the other Walkie Talkie.
And that's the music sign button. So
it must come through to here. So like when they haven't got their Walkie Talkie, but it's on. It's like a telephone. So when you ring it, it'll come through to here, and when they're not using it, they can answer it.
So what else we got on there?
There's push lamp. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
There's a light.
I don't know if the camera can see that, but
there is a light. Look, you can see it on the table.
There you go. That's quite bright as well. LED light. And so you push that button.
And guys, look, it works on the other one. The other one's off, and it works. Yeah.
These are really cool, aren't they, Maze?
Yeah, so when you're out in the dark and you like need a light and you have your Walkie Talkies,
or you can play in the dark.
Yeah.
And right, what happens when we push the menu button, Maisie?
I'm not sure, so let's push it. Ooh.
That just scrolls through your fingers.
I really like the music button.
That is really cool. These are really cool. They're quite good quality as well, aren't they, Maisie? They're very good quality.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, now I think I'm going to need somebody to help me try these really cool Walkie Talkies out. I think I might go find my dad. Oh, hi.
Hello, guys.
Can you help me do these Retevis Walkie Talkies? They're so cool. So we really have to try them out.
Yeah, okay. We'll take them and try them at the park.
Yeah. Guys, we are now at the park, but it is very cold. Dad's going to go all the way down there, and we're going to see how far the range can go. So,
Where's this one?
yeah, just hold it in.
Hello, Maisie.
Hello, Daddy.
So Daddy's going.
Yeah.
Bye.
Guys, Dad is just there, and we're going to start off very close, and then we're going to see how far Dad can go back and see if we can stop. Hello?
Hello, yeah, I can hear you.
It's very loud, isn't it, Maisie?
Yes, can hear you. Over and out.
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm going to go further away now.
Okay, go first and back. Of course.
Is it why are you? Oh look, Daddy's running. Look.
Yeah, I can still hear you.
Wow, guys, Dad is all the way down the other end of the park, and we can still hear each other through the walkie-talkie. Guys, Dad's gone a little bit further, so let's try it. Hello, over and out.
Hello, yes, I can still hear you, but I can't hardly see you.
Guys, Dad is all the way down there, and I can, to be honest, hardly see
He's
him.
gone even further.
Yeah, I'm going to say hi. Hi.
Hello, yeah, I can still hear you.
He's over the other side of the park, Maze.
I can't even see him.
We can't see him,
I can't.
but you might be able to see him right in the distance as a little dot.
Yeah,
Okay.
like a little black dot all alone.
Okay.
Dad, you look like a little black dot.
What did you say?
You look like a little black dot just floating about in the distance.
Well, I'm nearly at the end of the pine field. I'm still here.
Wow, that's a lot. Guys, I think it's time to tell Dad to come back now. Dad, you can come back now.
Okay, coming back. Bye.
I'm gonna go see where he is.
Maisie, why are you hiding behind the tree?
Dad, jump. I think I should turn this off in case he starts talking. I'm turning
I
it
can
off.
see him.
You go. Mommy, you go.
You're telling me off.
Go.
Why are you playing a trick on Daddy? Yeah, but he can see me. Okay. Mace. I can see him. Right, let's say boo, okay? Go. He's here.
Bang! A little genius. Guys, these have been really cool because Dad went all the way down there and he could probably have gone even further and it was really fun.
How far do you think that was, Pete?
I think it was nearly a quarter of a mile. These are the best kids walkie-talkies I've ever seen, and the biggest range.
And they come in all sorts of colours as well, don't they, Maisie? And but you got the pink ones, yeah?
And they got a lamp on them as well.
Oh, you do? Yeah, you've discovered the lamps. Because it's getting dark now, we can see them. Is yours switched on, Pete? There you go. Look at them with their smart LED lights.
Like, we're so fancy. so fancy.
You're so fancy with your walkie-talkies.
Yeah, I'm so fancy. Thank you so much for Retevis. I really enjoyed these walkie-talkies. They've been great fun. So that is all for tonight. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a Retevis a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.